Hey guys, Ozark ADV. Got the Tusk Olympus Tank Bag for my birthday today. I got the large. And just looking at the instructions that came with the bag, they're not the greatest. They show flat seat. Of course, the Honda Africa Twin doesn't have a flat seat like a lot of the bigger ADV bikes. So I'm going to take you through the installation process today and learn it as I go. So stick with me. So this is what came in the box. We've got the instructions. As you can see, pretty descriptive, enough to let you know what you're looking for on your own bike. But the pictures show, looks like some kind of a KTM probably. But it's a flat seat bike, probably smaller dual sport. So I'll show you on this bike what I'm having to do. But it comes with 2 straps for the rear of the tank bag, 1 strap to go around the frame for the front. These are elastic straps for retention of the straps that stay on the bike when you take the bag off. And then it comes with the bag, and I'd probably do a separate video of the bag itself, but it seems really great. I've been using a Walmart Mad Dog tank bag for several years. I've traded it between 2 different KLRs and now the Africa Twin, and this one is in a lot better construction. It's just bigger. I don't know how it'll compare. The small Olympus bag would compare to the Mad Dog tank bag from Walmart, but this one's quite a bit better. It's got better features, just the hardware, and the fact that it's not a magnet mount, it straps to the bike. I'm pretty excited about this, and for the price, we'll shoot for any price. You know, I hate that term, for the price. You're going to pay what you want to pay for things. I didn't want to pay, you know, $150, $200 for a tank bag. This one was like $90. My wife got it for me for my birthday, but this is the bag that I asked for, and we'll see how it does. But so far, just the build quality, everything about it, I'm really impressed with. So get started showing you how to route these straps, and maybe we can figure this out. So for the front straps, you can see right there, these, I'm going to go on the inside between, I don't know if those are wiring. Yeah, it's like wiring, some kind of shielded wiring. I'm going to go between this wiring and the frame, down in here, so that I'm not pinching anything. And I'm just going to run this long strap down through there, and secure it on top of the bike with the elastic retention straps. So for this, we're using the one of the short retention straps that comes with it. Mine came with 2. I don't know what I'm going to use the other one for, but I guess we'll see. They seem to be the same size, same length. And just routed it down through there. Sorry, figure out my phone. Routed it down through there. And we're going to go in front of right here where the front suspension mounts to the frame. We're going to go kind of behind it here and up through the other side and see how that works out for us. See if we have any binding, make sure that we can turn the handlebars all the way to the left and to the right, and see what works out for us. Okay, so as you can see, I've got the strap routed in between all of these cables, the wires, all of this stuff here. Even down there, I've got some, I think that's to my lights, but routed the strap between all of these and the frame, so that nothing's going to get pinched, bound up, anything like that, and brought it up to the top. Sorry, I'm having trouble seeing with the sun. And secured on both ends with this elastic strap. so it'll slide down, but it's not going to fall all the way down to the ground when the tank bag comes off. And I can turn full stop with no problem. You can see I've got this, whatever this is called, the front air dam, and I may end up running this under the front air dam, see if it'll get captured a little bit better so that it's not sliding around. But so far this is working out okay, and I don't want to go pushing buckles and things through there and creating space for air to come up through there. Kind of defeats the purpose of having it. But all right, I'll get the rear straps mounted up, and I think for those I'm just going to go right here on the frame, or up in here, but probably most likely right here. They seem like they're going to be long enough, but I'll find a place off of this part of the frame somewhere to mount those. And then they have a long retention strap there that'll just go probably through here where the seat, at the front of the seat. Be right back. All right, guys, here's where I ended up going. Right here, just kind of looped it through there, ran it up the tank, attached it with the long elastic retaining strap on both sides. So it looks like mounted. There's no binding up. It does touch a little bit right there, but it gets out of the way. I think it's just because the strap is inside there. The front, not sure how I'm going to do this. Leave it like that for now and go for a ride. See how it does on slow speed turns at full lock. See how it works. But pretty pleased with it. The bag itself, as you can see, pretty standard tank bag shape. On the inside, it's got this divider here. I'll show you. This divider just mounts right there, that Velcro. You can take it out, and you got the ability to make some compartments with this. Or take it out and have a big compartment. We'll see how it works out for me. But for fueling, unclip these and just flop it back. We got full access to the tank. Fuel spout. That's it. I'll see how it does, but so far I'm really pleased. I like that they put a lot of thought into the design, the material, and the price is great. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll talk to you soon.